under the Melchizedek order is what he's talking about, right? So now we're going to prove that Melchizedek, I'm going to say it the way he says, kept what he calls the book of the law. It was passed down from Adam all the way up to Abraham, right? We're going to show you that, right? So what I want to do is talking about the sons of the covenant, right? So the first son of the covenant was Adam, right? So let's go real quick, and we're going to show you in Genesis chapter 3, right? And verse, let's see, where do I want to begin? Genesis chapter 3. And verse 21. Let's see if I can bring that on the screen. Oh, pardon me. I don't know where that belch is coming from. I ain't had nothing make me belch. Pardon me. Please excuse me. Okay. Genesis chapter 3. All right. What I say? Chapter 3, verse 21. All right. Let's bring that on the screen. Okay. And Adam called his wife Kawah because she was the mother of all living. Verse 21 says, and unto Adam also and to his wife did Yah, right? Did Yah make coats of skins and clothe them, right? So, what did he do, right? He showed Adam the law of sacrifice, right? Now, what I want to do is I want to give you some extracurricular reading, right? So what I want to do is I want to give you a link. It's kind of complicated with these links because I think I posted a link in there last week and somebody said they couldn't open it up. But this reference, let's see if I can do it. I'll put it on the screen. I'll do that. Okay. It's just let's see, I'll bring them so you all can see it. Okay. And I'm going to show you the cover of the book so you can download this. Go to Google and you can download this. Okay, can you all see that? It's the Apocrypha and the Pseudepigrapha of the Old Testament in English, with introductions and critical and explanatory notes. I get a little tongue-tied sometimes. To the several books, edited in conjunction with many scholars by R.H. Charles, right? D-L-I-T-T-D-D. So there's different versions of the Pseudepigrapha. The one that I have, the hard copy I read from, is a different version, right, than this one here. But this one here has the Apocrypha and the Pseudepigrapha, right? So what I want to do is, let's see if I can bring it up. I want to go to the book of Adam. And let's see, what page is that? Okay, let's see if I can do it here because I already have it on my system. So the book of Adam, if you go to where is it? Oh, this, I got the wrong volume. That's volume. I know when I can find it. Okay, I went volume 2. Okay, so if you look at the table of contents, you'll see here on this page, the book of Adam right here. The book of Adam, it says the book of Adam and Eve. So we're going to go right there. And we're going to go to this page right here. If you can see it, let's see if I can zoom it in. This is not the page I want. Hold on a second. I gotta get to the right page. It starts with "and let." Okay, I gotta go up one more. Oh, what page is that? Let's see. 10, 20, 23. Okay, 23. Let's see. And I'm going to group like that. Okay. This is taking more time than I wanted to do. Yeah, but let's see. When they were driven. Oh. Hold on. I'm gonna make it easier on myself.
Click that piece there, it makes the scroll faster.
Oh, no, it's not that. It's just that I want to find the right page, because I actually have the PDF right here, but I can find it easier this way and then I can just play it. Okay, so I want to give you all the reference so you can see what page we're on. And if I pull this up here, you'll see. Wait a hold a second. Can't get this to go up. It won't go up. What in the world is wrong with this thing? This is okay. Hold on a second. I gotta get the page. Just bear with me a second here. It reads, somebody can find it. If you fast it, it's searching. Let's see. It reads where he talks about Cain slew his brother. Okay, I found it now. Okay, here it is here. This is page 139. Okay. All right, page 139. Pardon for the let's see, 139. I can't do it like that. Let me see. That's 133. Okay, I'm there. $133. Did I pass 133? 139 I meant. Okay. All right, so look right here. I want to read right here where it says 3. Right here where my hand is. It says, and thereafter Adam knew his wife, and he begat a son and called his name Seth. And Adam said to Kawa, I don't say Eve. Okay. Behold, I have begotten a son in place of Abel, whom Cain slew. And after Adam had begotten Seth, he lived 800 years and begat 30 sons and 30 daughters. Wow. See that? You never get that when you read in the King James Version, because people ask, well, where did all the people come from? His brother in California was teaching that it was two creations of two son Adams. See, that's why we got to stick with the written manuscripts. We can't make stuff up, right? All right, so it says Adam begat 30 sons and 30 daughters, in all 63 children, and they were increased over the face of the earth in their nations. So that explains how we got a populated world, because Adam had other children. I remember when I was young in the ministry, my dad asked me, he said he had a question about the Bible, and he wanted to know, where did all these sons come from? All these people. When Cain was cursed and sent away from his brother, right? He wanted to know, where did he come from, right? There it is right there, right? So it says that Adam had 30 sons and 30 daughters. And it says they increased all over the face of the earth in their nations. Okay. Now, if we go back up, let's see, where's my mouse at? Oh, it says in their nations. Over here it says, in this paragraph I want to read, it's right here. It says, and Adam said to Kawah, see, we have begotten a son in place of Abel, whom Cain slew. Let us give esteem and sacrifice to Elohim. And Adam begat 30 sons and 30 daughters, and Adam lived 930 years, and he fell sick and cried with a loud voice and said, let all my sons come to me, that I may see them before I die. So what did Adam do? Right? Adam offered sacrifice. Now, we showed you that the Most High taught him, because he offered the sacrifice first. When Adam disobeyed the Most High offered a sacrifice and put on him and Kawah a coat of skins. Now we see in the book of Adam that he offered a sacrifice after he gave birth to his son, Seth, right? So the book of the law, as the brother was trying to say that it didn't exist until after the nation of Israel was established, we've already proven that he's wrong in that, because it was already there. But we're going to go further, right? Now, let's go to the next. Just briefly, if we go to Genesis 4 and 3, and we'll see in Genesis 4 and 3, we all know the story. And Cain and Abel both offered sacrifice, right? So Genesis 4 and 3, let's read that one verse there, 4 and 3. We won't read the whole story, but I just want to show you bullet point. All right. Now it says here, verse 3 says, in the process of time, it came to pass that Cain brought of the fruit of the ground and offering unto Yah. Now, how many times do we read this, these stories about sacrificing, and nobody ever explained to us where did they learn this from, and why, for what reason were they sacrificing, right? So here we see Cain offering a sacrifice. All right, now let's go to the next verse. Verse 4, Abel, he also brought of the firstlings of his flock and of the fat thereof, and Yah had respect unto Abel and to his offering, right? But unto Cain and to his offering he had no respect. And Cain was very wroth, and his countenance fell. Right? So now, my issue brought something out that was very, very profound. You remember what you said to me? Last night about what happened between Cain and Abel. Why was Cain wroth with Abel?
Firstborn thing. Sometimes, and sometimes we can see that pattern amongst, our children and grandchildren. How the firstborn has an attitude, siblings that come after them.
Mm-hmm.
You're the firstborn, you're used to getting all the attention.
Mm-hmm.
And another child comes on the scene and you gotta share the spotlight, so to speak.
Okay, now I want to move to the next. This is page 140. All right, we're gonna go to page 140 now. Okay, same. All right, we're gonna go back to the book of Adam and Kawah, and we're gonna show you Seth. So we're gonna go to page 140. Let's see, where do I want to begin here? Let's start right here. Let's start right at the top. Okay. Yah, let me see the backup because that's in the middle. Exactly. He says, let's start right here, page 139. Adam said to Seth, "Hear my son Seth." So now we're talking about Seth. Let me bring it on the screen here. All right. Adam is talking to Seth now. So we know Adam's sacrifice, right? We're talking about the sons of the covenant. Adam being the first son, right? Second, his sons Cain and both Abel's sacrifice, and it caused a judgment to bring forth death. They sacrificed. Now we're going to see Seth, which is the new son after Adam offered sacrifice, right? Now he goes and speaks to Seth. So he says, and Adam said to Seth, "Hear my son Seth, that I may relate to thee what I heard and saw after your mother and I had been driven out of the paradise. When we were at prayer," Adam prayed. "When we were at prayer, there came to me Michael, the angel, a messenger of Yah. And I saw a chariot like the wind, and its wheels were fiery, and I was caught up into the paradise of righteousness. And I saw Yah sitting," right? "And his face was flaming fire that could not be endured. And many thousands of angels were on the right and the left of the chariot." Now we know Enoch went up into the heavens, right? In the book of Enoch, I think in the Secrets, I think it was what? Was it 7 heavens? 7 levels of heavens? I think it was. Don't quote me, but I think it was 7. Okay. So he says, so Adam was caught up into heaven and saw the host of angels. Now watch this now. He says, "When I saw this, I was confounded, and terror seized me, and I bowed myself down before Elohim with my face to the earth. And Yah said to me, Behold, thou diest, since thou hast transgressed the commandment of Yah." We read that again. He said, "Behold, thou diest, since thou hast transgressed the commandment of Yah." Oh my, look at that. So Adam had a commandment. Now he says